Right, we can see how dodgy this is. I'm stood in a little tiny boat. And I'm going to lift that engine up out of here. I've got it rigged up on here. I'm going to try and do this without me falling in and without losing the engine. Okay, looking good. All the way. Right, the good news is it probably won't drop in the water. I can already feel the boat lifting up. Taking a bit of weight off it. Bloody hell, loads of water coming in the boat. I think I'm going to sink. Right, it's not as easy to get back up. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Sprung a leak in my boat while I'm trying to put that on.
A little one.
Well, it's filling up. And now I can't get off this bloody thing.
You need a hand?
No, I'll be alright. I've got it on now. It's just I've got to get away from the bloody boat now. I've not done this. I've only taken it off before, so. Yeah, that's right, yeah. Yeah, that's it. Oh man. Now that's come off. I thought it'd be a bit easy to put on this actually. Came off really easy. Oh well, I probably learnt something there. I have to go and patch that dinghy up now. Oh yeah, definitely. As you can probably see, the boat is filling up. The hole is about as big as my little tip of my little finger. And I've got to get back in the shore on that yet. I'll probably empty it out before I do that. Right, it's on. Here's a little tour in the cabin. Still looks a complete mess. You'll see the hole that I had in the wall there. Patched a lot of things in there, you can see. Mended this corner, it looks a bit white because I've not sanded that down yet. I can't really see up the front there, but it's not that many improvements to be honest. I've made a right old mess again.